A nursing care plan is an essential component of providing quality care to patients as it outlines objectives and strategies that will be used to ensure the patient's medical needs are met. It outlines the specific care and services including medications, treatments, procedures, lifestyle modifications, self-care strategies, and other interventions. The plan also outlines ways to assess how well the patient responds to their treatment plan. By staying on top of changes in a patient's condition, nurses can provide timely interventions that may prevent further complications or illness. To use our free nursing care plan, follow these steps. Download our nursing care plan from the CarePatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, fill in the patient's information. Start by filling out the patient's name, age, date of birth, and other information. Also document their medical history, any current medications, and any allergies. Next, enter the patient assessment. Assess patients' needs by documenting their physical, mental, and emotional health using your nursing knowledge. Include any symptoms they may have and any diagnosis the patient has received. Next, develop a care plan. Once you have assessed the patient, develop a comprehensive care plan to address their needs. Include short-term and long-term goals, medications, treatments, and other interventions. Next, implement the plan. Implement your care plan for the patient. This may include ordering and administering medications, coordinating with other healthcare professionals, educating the patient, and so on. Next, monitor and review. Monitor the patient's progress in achieving their goals over time. Revisit their care plan regularly to ensure it is up to date and still addresses their needs. Adjust as needed based on changes in the patient's health or other circumstances. Here is a sample of our nursing care plan, which you can find on our CarePatron platform. To find our nursing care plan, go to our CarePatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at CarePatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our CarePatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.